everybody, thank you for joining me for this video today. My name is Nicole. Welcome to my channel. If you are interested in reseller content, then today you will love this video because I have a what sold video for you guys. This video is basically what's been selling this week on Poshmark and eBay the last couple days. I actually got quite a few sales today, and so I thought since I'm actually getting some decent sales that I would do a what sold video for you guys and give that up. I actually only have one sold item from eBay, but it was a pretty decent sale, so I'm excited about shipping that out. Hopefully everything will go well with that item, as the buyer was a little bit interesting messaging me after she actually purchased it. And then everything else is from Poshmark, so I'm just going to show you guys everything that I sold. If I remember exactly what the prices that I sold it for, I will say that, but if I can't remember or I'm not sure, I will post that so you guys can see exactly how much each item did cost. So let's get right into the video. So I'm going to start with eBay since I only had one sale on eBay, but it was definitely the best sale probably all week. I do not get over $100 sales very often, so when I do, obviously I'm very excited and happy about it. And so this item in particular was a really beautiful Alice and Olivia dress. It was actually like a velour, like a velvety material with floral embroidery and beading. It retailed for like $895, and I did have it listed pretty high, like for $300, I think, $350, $325 on eBay with best offer. And someone did send me a $160 offer, and I've really been taking most offers that I do receive because I'm really wanting to move product with right now everything going on with the pandemic. I am really taking any offers, and I did pretty good this week, so I'm happy about that. But I'll show you guys exactly the item. I have it hanging right here. This is the dress. It's Alice and Olivia. It's a size 4. I actually originally wanted to keep it for myself. I got this in a liquidation.com haul a long time ago. I don't even know if I did a video about that one, but I kept it for a long time because I thought it was so beautiful. I didn't want to sell it. I wanted to keep it for myself, but I tried it on for Valentine's, and yeah, it doesn't fit me, so I definitely need at least a 6 or an 8. But it is absolutely beautiful. One of the most beautiful dresses I think I've ever seen. And this dress actually did have a flaw, which was another reason why I didn't get it sold out. Sorry, my hair's all whacked out. I had it up in a bun, and now it's all wacky. This particular dress had an issue with the zipper. And so the zipper is kind of whacked out back here. What happened was, I believe the zipper came off track. And a simple way to get it back on track is you actually have to cut like a little slit in one side of the zipper and kind of like weave it through and then zip the item up. So with this particular dress, I don't remember exactly what was going on with the zipper because it's been a long time, but I think I tried to repair it but didn't do it very successfully. It is definitely, you can use it. It just doesn't zip, I would say maybe 1/4 of an inch down. I kind of covered up the issue, so definitely not something someone's going to notice when wearing. No one's going to notice it. But hopefully the buyer saw that in my description, because I was very particular with my description and making sure that I posted and talked about and showed pictures and everything of the flaw, because that is considered a flaw. I do sell flawed items very frequently, and I really have no issue with selling them. But okay, so the next item is the Soul Society beautiful weaved crossbody purse. I sold this for $25. Someone sent me an offer of $25, and I accepted on Poshmark. Okay, so the next item is this Marika Tech Dry Wicking Performance. I think I sold this for $18. They sent me an $18 offer, which was awesome because it had this a super long time. It is a super comfortable, soft, like hooded long sleeve shirt, and I've had it a long time. Think about it for myself from Goodwill, and it sold. So that person I think will be really happy with that because it's a really awesome top, in my opinion. Okay, this is a Free People cowl neck. I can't remember it's We the Free by Free People. Excuse my nails, they are a disaster. It's like this cowl neck long sleeve shirt, and this sold for $20 plus discount shipping. I think I sent someone an offer for that. I've had it a long time, so I was just ready to get rid of it. This sold for $18, I think. It is a vintage Calvin Klein vest, just a black vest. And it's long. It's shorter in the back, so it's kind of like, reminds me of 80s or 90s. And that sells for like $18. They just sent me the offer, so. Okay, I started bagging a few things, so you're going to hear a little bit of bags. This sold today for full price of $45 on Poshmark, and it is Kate Spade. It's brand new, but this was like a sample item, I think, from like 2019 summer sample. It was some type of sample item because none of the tag, like there was the regular tag, but then all the other tags were like this. So this is a size small. It does have this on it, so it's basically new without tags, but I did have to put in listing, you know, and show picture of how the size tag is just written on. I don't know why that is. I think it's just a sample piece. That's what I think it is. And then I got bottoms as well. These didn't actually come together. I bought a huge bundle at the end of last summer of Kate Spade swimsuits from a Poshmark seller who sells a lot of Kate Spade. I don't know where she gets it, but she must go to sample sales or something. And she had both of these items in her closet, and so I bundled it, and so I ended up putting it together as a bikini. And then this is like a scalped bikini bottom. So the rest both size small, so those sold for $45 with the buyer paying shipping and everything, because that was on Poshmark. Okay, next item, I actually listed this just today for $45. It had original MSRP of $50, so I made a really good profit on it. I purchased it at TJ Maxx like months ago, like probably 6 or 8 months ago, maybe more. And it is a Kendra Scott. It's this evil, it's called the Evil Eye or something like that. Necklace in silver. And brand new. I think I paid, I don't know, I paid a lot for it. I think I paid like $15 to $20 for it because I really didn't know what I was doing. But I think that's what I paid for it. I had listed it previously, but it didn't get any action. And I think I'd only listed on eBay, and then I listed it today on Poshmark, and someone just bought it outright for $45. So they must have been looking for it, and it was new. So, and then I also have a dust bag for it. So yeah, I was really happy with that because, I mean, you rarely get like full price sales. I rarely do, at least. Okay, this is a pair of Quay sunglasses. This is the case. I got a bunch of Quay sunglasses from B&G Trading. Probably the end of last summer, around then, and almost all of them have sold except I have like 2 pairs. 1 pair I'm keeping for myself, and then I think there was 10 of them, and then this pair, there was a lot of people interested in it. They're really cute. They're like that blue color you see there, and they're white, and they're new with tag. So yeah, they're originally a $60, they're called the Rebel, but $60, sold at Nordstrom. It actually says it on the tag, so at Nordstrom, and they're just a really cute sunglass. Let me see, I'll try them on. They're pretty cute. Yeah, I like them. I don't like the bar at the top though, but I'm keeping 1 pair, I think, and then I have 1 more pair. I think it's just 1 more pair for sale on Poshmark and on eBay. A pair of like really circular, like purple tortoiseshell ones. They're cute, but not really my style, so that's why I'm not keeping those. The ones I'm keeping are like huge, though. Okay, anyway. Okay, the next item is this Topshop skirt, and it's in a size 6. It does have the original tag. This I got a long time ago. There was some like wholesaler that was selling like 10 pieces for $100. It was when I didn't know what I was doing. I bought this for like at least $10, I think, and it was like $10 with free shipping or something. Most of the items never sold. Thankfully, this one just sold. I think 2 of the items sold. Didn't make my money back. That was a bad buy. I think this sold for 10. I want to to say it sold for 10. I feel bad because I don't remember exactly. I think it sold for 10. These sold today for $15. I had them listed at like 30 or something, but I took it because I want to make sales. So, and I was making sales today, so I was happy. These are Tommy Hilfiger vintage shorts. Sold for $15. I actually was going to keep these for myself because I really like the length, but they sold and I was happy to sell them and make a little profit. I'm probably only making like $7 or $8 of profit, so not a lot, but you know, something is better than nothing. And I've had those since, I would say, at least last summer, so I've had them a while. Okay, I think this is the last item. This sold for, I want to say like $8 or $10. I'm sorry, I can't remember, but it wasn't a lot, and I wouldn't buy it again. In a second here, I'll show you what I wouldn't buy again. I should have said that while I was actually doing it. Yeah. Anyway, this is a 31 bag. It's just a polka dot. It's kind of like a nylon bag. I purchased this at Goodwill for probably $4 or $5, and I sold it for probably making my money back. So I wouldn't buy this again. A lot of 31 items I just would not buy anymore. They just don't sell very well, and the price points just aren't really there. Sometimes they still do sell. Like I listed this recently and it sold already, but there's just not a high enough price margin for me to purchase that again. Also, I wouldn't purchase this again for a resale. I honestly didn't really purchase it to resell. Like I said, purchased it for myself, but I've had this brand before and other things, and it just does not sell very well and for very much, and sometimes it just sits and sits, so I wouldn't pick that up to sell. I also want to pick this up to sell. Some Topshop does do decent and gets action, I think, because of the style or whatever. This particular skirt, I think the market was slightly saturated anyway, so I think that's why it took so long to sell till it wasn't saturated. Also, I just think that it's not the right style. It's so neon and stuff. I'm careful with any Topshop I pick up. I do once in a while, but I'm careful with any Topshop I pick up. And then, well, I would probably pick up those again, the Tommy Hilfiger. This particular top I had a long time. There was a lot of action on it, but I think it doesn't photograph well, and it really doesn't look the greatest on the model. I had a picture of it modeled, and it really didn't look the greatest either. So you do have to be careful, I think, with Free People items. You hear that more and more now. It's just more saturated market, I think, and you just are not getting as high prices for some things. Some things I get really great prices for, and then other things I don't. So definitely look up your comps before you purchase things. I would say this particular item, I think I maybe gotten it like in a mystery box or something. I can't remember. And I would pick it up for maybe $5, but probably not anything more than that. This I didn't make a lot on, but I still made money, and I am happy with what I made on it. It's not what I originally wanted, but sometimes, you know, you don't get the prices that you're hoping for. So either way, I did make money on this, on these sales, especially like that Alice and Olivia dress. Obviously, that really boosted my overall numbers this week and the last couple days. So yeah, I am happy, and it does like even out eventually, so that's definitely important. Not so much what one item sells for, but how it evens out among all of your other items as well. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me today for this video. I hope you like it. Please do not forget to like if you want to see more content like this, so I know that you like it. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm still a baby channel, so I really appreciate anyone new subscribing. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye.